Hello friends, welcome to Miss Mary's How-To series. Today I'm going to show you our new Make Your Own Play-Doh kit and some of the things that you can make once your Play-Doh is all dry. First, you're going to come to the library and pick up this kit. Inside, there will be a jar of the dry ingredients you'll need to make your own Play-Doh, instructions on how to use this to make Play-Doh, and of course, they're in English and Spanish. And we've also included a booklet called Recipes for Fun, and these are all sorts of recipes for bubbles and silly putty and dough mixtures. You can even make your own finger paint at home. And we have this in English and Spanish as well. Now, I can't show you how to make the Play-Doh in this video because it involves a stove, but I made some at home and wanted to show you all of the shapes that I made. I made a heart, a circle, a triangle, and a rectangle. Now, I used my own hands to make those, but you can use your own hands too, but you can also use cookie cutters. Your instructions will say that after you're finished making your Play-Doh and making the shapes you want, that putting it in the freezer for a little bit to harden faster is a good idea. Okay, so these are all hard and ready to go, and this is the kind of Play-Doh that you can paint when you're done. So I'm going to paint my heart pink. And just a reminder, this dough is of course non-toxic. It won't hurt you to eat it, but you won't want to because it's very salty and won't taste good at all. So please don't eat the dough. Okay. So this is what it looks like when you have it painted. Okay. I'm just going to do the top part. Now with paint, of course, you have to wait for the top part to dry before you can turn it over and paint the back. So I'm just going to leave it like that for today. And let's paint one more. Have some purple over here, and we can paint the circle. So I was able to make these 4 shapes out of the dough that you have in your jar. So you should be able to make the same amount. Or if you make your shapes smaller, you can make more. Okay, and that's that. So I hope that everyone has fun making their own Play-Doh. I promise to the parents, it's not that messy and it's a lot of fun. So let me know if you've made your own Play-Doh at home, and I hope to hear from you soon. Bye everyone.